Let's boost our English. First, I will show you some irregular verbs you need to remember. And then it's quiz time. Pay attention to the verbs because you're going to use them right after. Ready? Let's go. Leave, leave, left, left, leave, left. Go, go, went, went, go, went. Here, here, heard, heard, here, heard. Meet, meet, met, met, meet, met. Eat, eat, ate, ate, eat, ate. Sing, sing, sang, sang, sing, sang. Come, come, came, came, come, came. Break, break, broke, broke, break, broke. Take, take, took, took, take, took. Do, do, did, did, do, did. Give, give, gave, gave, give, gave. See, see, saw, saw, see, saw. Put, 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 put. Hide, hide, hid, hid, hide, hid. Speak, speak, spoke, spoke, speak, spoke. Fro, fro, fru, fru, fro, fru. Run, run, rain, rain, run, rain. Build, build, built, built, build, built. Oh, it's quiz time. Let's see if you can get 20 sentences correct. She, her keys on the table. She left her keys on the table. They to spend last summer. They went to Spain last summer. He, me at the mall yesterday. He met me at the mall yesterday. We, the whole cake already. We ate the whole cake already. A strange noise last night. I heard a strange noise last night. She, a beautiful song. She sang a beautiful song. They, the window, accidentally. They broke the window accidentally. He, the ball across the field. He threw the ball across the field. my homework before dinner. I did my homework before dinner. She, a photo of the sunset. She took a photo of the sunset. We, the movie, twice. We saw the movie twice. They, home, very late. They came home very late. He, me a gift for my birthday. He gave me a gift for my birthday. She, the book on the shelf. She put the book on the shelf. I, my leg last winter. I broke my leg last winter. They, the marathon together. They ran the marathon together. He, the truth, finally. He spoke the truth finally. She, well. She hid well. We, the house in 2 days. We built the house in 2 days. I, my wallet at home. I left my wallet at home.